let's take 30 seconds to discuss some safety rules. A quick word on security before we go further. The one-click template ships with some sensible defaults already on, including sandboxed execution, so you don't have to configure any of that yourself. But there are a few habits on your end that matter more than any default. So let me just name them. First, start small. For your first week, keep your agent on Telegram only. Don't connect your banking app, don't hook it up to a password manager, don't give it your trading account. Let it earn trust first with low-stakes things. Second, never paste API keys or credentials directly into the Telegram chat. Think of API keys like passwords. They prove to a service that it's you and they don't belong in a chat log. They go in the hosting or panel as environment variables, and I'll walk you through that before we build the first automation. Third, when the agent asks to confirm an action, read the confirmation. Don't just reflexively say yes. The approval gate is only useful if you actually look at what you're approving.